on my channel. As always, I'm really excited to record another video for you. Today we're going to talk about Qtum, which is a premier investment and staking platform where they empower the world's leading investors to grow their digital assets by providing tailored investment opportunities. But before we start, don't forget that you always invest on your own responsibility and you should do your own research. At the beginning, I want to say that this project is based on real-life use cases only. They are already very important in their field and they are trusted by over 500 institutional clients. They generate profit or allow generating profit on renewable energy sources, particularly hydroelectric power. And why, you might ask? We have an increasing demand for sustainable energy solutions, and that has led to a dramatic rise in the adoption of hydroelectric power, as it not only provides a reliable means of electricity generation, but also plays a crucial role in reducing carbon emissions. So we have this real-life use case, we have this huge mission, we have this vision behind Qtum. And already in 2013, they have predicted fluctuations in the value of hydroelectric stocks, allowing to capitalize on emerging opportunities. So, big-time investors. And they base their whole activity on their sophisticated algorithmic trading system. Hydrogen was their priority as one of the most purchased stock standards, so they have positioned themselves to benefit from the growing interest in hydrogen as a clean energy source. And it's amazing because they have seamlessly integrated the hydrogen plan into the virtual power plan using either your plan's protocol interface or their proprietary Nextbox interface. And that enabled electricity trading on European power exchanges. You can continue generating and supplying electricity as usual. So how you profit out of it is you earn electricity exchange revenues along with proceeds from the sale of your certificates of origin and green electricity certificates. And by collecting and analyzing data, they enable competitive trading of renewable energy while supporting the integration of decentralized systems into the market. So they're actually creating new sources of income for all participants of the next pool, and they minimize the risk of blackouts in Belgium. So this is definitely different from the projects that we usually discuss on my channel because we have some memes, we have some exchanges, but we've never had a project like this where the hydropower as a leading source of clean energy in Europe is making an attractive and profitable investment, especially for institutional investors. And they claim that these plans provide long-term, stable cash flow and are less correlated with traditional asset classes and renewable infrastructure investments. However, in order to use this platform and to be a part of this huge investment, you need to sign up. And it's a really simple process where you just provide your basic info, you set your password, you confirm it, and just like that, you will have an account on Qtum just like I do. This will be your dashboard and we can roughly go through what they have here. So first we have yields, which are the investment plans. We have the residential GP trade, the public trade, and industrial trade. And how are they different? With the first plan, you will get daily 2% daily return and the minimum amount is $400. You will be getting the 2% on 5 days of your investment. In the second plan, the minimum investment amount is $3,000, but you will be getting 3% daily with the duration of 7 times. The industrial GPT trade is connected with $65,000 as the minimum investment amount with daily 5% and the duration will be 25 times. So of course the industrial GPU trade Qtum would be the best option. As you can see on my account, I've invested $3,000 and I got $630. First we need to go to Swap Wallet and we have to exchange from Spot Wallet to the funding wallet and we will be exchanging our profit, which is $630. Alright guys, so now we have everything on our funding wallet. So now it is time to withdraw our money. So what you do is you choose your wallet, you add that right here in the withdraw account where you just paste your wallet address, and then you enter the amount, and I will be withdrawing the whole sum. And just like that, we have our money withdrawn. As you can see on my dashboard, it is fully withdrawn and it was actually instant. And you also saw it in my history. So that is a very simple process, like everyone can do it, I promise. So if you want to invest as well, you need to deposit the money just like I did and then buy the plan. Depositing is very simple because again, you select the gateway, you enter the amount that you want to deposit, and once you have that on your Qtum account, you can go to yields, choose the plan that you want to invest in, and then you enter the amount and then you start staking. And that's how you can make a passive profit with Qtum. Alright guys, and the last thing that I wanted to mention is a kind of proof that they are actually working on real life problems and they are active in real life, not only on the internet, is that they have organized this sectional upgrade conference. And here you have some pics as a proof. They are also excited to share that as they look toward the future, by 2026, they anticipate the surge in green energy profit generation to exceed 80%, surpassing the initial prediction of 70%. And this growth demonstrates not only the robustness of the business model, but also the tremendous potential within this renewable energy space. So investing in Qtum means being part of a forward-thinking, sustainable energy revolution. They are committed to continuing this upward trajectory, creating value for the partners, and contributing to a greener, more profitable future for all. Alright guys, so that will be it. I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial where I showed you how to deposit, how to withdraw, and how to invest in certain plans on Qtum. I hope that you enjoyed the introduction. Let me know what you think about this project and about my video, and see you in the next one.